Hi there everyone, welcome to Engineering Pritam and in this 81st video on PTC Creo Parametric series. Today we will be talking about a tool which although looks quite common but can be very useful. This tool is known as Flip Normal. What does this tool do? Well, it does exactly what it says. Whenever we select a surface and we select this tool, it basically flips the normal direction of a surface. And why we need to create a separate tool for this? I mean, since let's say if I try to thicken this part, you can see the direction is inside. And let me actually also show you by analysis the dia. It is right now 161.1, and let's say if I suppress this flip normal, you can see the part just changed, and now the thickness direction is toward opposite side, and that 161 point something value now turned to 168.22. Again, if I resume it, you will see that again we have changed this normal. But one may think of, okay, no matter what tool I use, I generally see this flip normal option, right? Which I'm gonna say is completely true. However, let's say you have imported something like a very complicated IGS model which is non-native data. I mean, the data that is not being made inside PTC Creo Parametric. And it may be possible whenever we are performing operations like thicken that we just do, some of the surfaces may have inward direction, some may have outward direction, and because of that you may not able to thicken it properly, and eventually our command or tool may fail. So in order to avoid such situation, we can utilize this tool which is known as flip normal. So what basically it will do, let's say I would like to flip normal this particular one. Okay, so I did flip normal here, and then I didn't change this one. So now if I again go to thicken, you will see that the direction of this one is opposite to what it was in the past. Okay, so now if I let's say delete this, and probably I need to go like this, and now if I suppress it, you can see, or maybe I'm gonna actually delete this, and now if I put here flip normal, so let's have a look. Now I'm gonna add to it. So here now we can see, let me again hide this. You can see how it is working. So maybe this is not one of the best example, but what I mean is, let's say one face is going toward outward, another face or surface is going toward inward. Due to that, there could be problem with that kind of surface. We can fix that kind of issue using flip normal. That's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Engineering Pritam, and also follow our complete PTC Creo Parametric series where we have covered everything from very basic. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.